I have a mate of mine visiting from Western Australia, and he's a mad fly fisherman. So we've come out to a Billabong here in the middle of Cape York, and as you can see from the beginning of this footage, it was a mission to get out here, but we finally made it. The Billabong's looking amazing, and we're going to try to get Haydon a saratoga on fly. And like, this is a bucket list thing. I'm just going to fish with traditional lures because two people can't fly fish out of a little tiny boat that we're in, because we had to bring the roof topper. We couldn't even tow a boat in because of the amount of water that's out here. So we got the roof topper in. Haydon's actually flowing a plastic right now because he can't wait, but we're going to get out on the water. Let's see him get this bloke a saratoga on fly. This will be good. It's going to be interesting to see if we can stir up some saratoga on the fly, but other options, you have barramundi, you have archer fish. Archer fish will take a fly, no problem at all. So we're going to get out there, we're going to do an afternoon session today, then we're going to do a morning session tomorrow. Between the two sessions, we should do all right. So let's see how we go.
I've got another flat, I've got some flat sheets if you want those as well.
Back past camp. I'll follow it for a while if they're curious. We just wanted something shiny. Yes, okay. Hey, buddy. Yep, got the one. We've got saratoga.
Barrow, little barrow.
Oh, dropped him. Be serious this time. That's got something bigger.
Oh, it's not a archer.
That's a bigger archer.
No. Is this one a toga? No, Haydon, that's another archer.
It might be the same one.
I think the archers are getting more and more ferocious. No, still an archer.
Yeah. So, Haydon's still throwing the fly. We haven't got a toga on fly yet, and that's his bucket list, so we've got to get him a toga on fly. And I haven't landed a barra yet, so we dropped what was easily a metre barra, like its massive head coming out of the water. We dropped two little ones as well, so sun's setting, we're going to get back to camp, have another crack tomorrow morning. We've got to get a barra to the boat, and we've got to get Haydon a saratoga on fly, then we can get out of here. So let's do it, back to camp.
Sea cats, please, please.
Decent sized fish.
Get him on board. Hey!
There you go, Billabong barra.
What a great fish.
He's a good fish.
Yeah.
We've got Haydon still working his fly desperately in the background there because this is our last session. We had an early morning session up the end of the dam. We were fishing here yesterday afternoon. I got a couple of togas on the plastic, but obviously a lot more difficult on fly. So our last session to try to get Haydon toga on fly. This might be a toga.
Oh, come on.
Oh, it is too.
Oh, jeez. That's a good fish.
Yeah, that's a cracking fish. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
There we go.
Lurking down there.
That's what we're chasing. Hey, buddy.
Frustrating on the thing. It's still I'm enjoying it. Like, what a great place to come and fish, eh? Doesn't matter. I've caught plenty of other fish, just not the toga. So, favourite fish?
Oh, I've never caught a sooty in a billabong before. Oh, there's a big caddy come underneath and try to eat him. They get the size of a football. This is only a little one. But they're great fish. An old sooty. Mate, they gave it a fair crack.
There's toga there. We know they're there.
The problem is, I always said about fly fishing, take something that's really complicated anyway and make it almost impossible, and that's fly fishing.
Yeah.
But the challenge is what it's all about, isn't it?
The challenge is what it's all about. For me, coming to a beautiful bit of water with a mate and just seeing fish in the place that's it. That's the and actually catching one. That's bonus.
That's him justifying not being able to catch a saratoga today.
Didn't have to
But-
say that.
In all seriousness, this guy can fly fish. We were just a bit unlucky. We're just going to have to come back again another day, aren't we?
Yeah, book me in for next year.